Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashada and this is Rashada's Reality. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribing, then welcome back and thank you so much for supporting my channel, y'all. So today I'm just doing my nails and trying to get cute for Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Because these nails, baby, they got to go. The thumbs don't broke off. I think Bo broke this one. I broke that one. Sad day. So we gonna have to change them out. They have done me justice. They've served me well for a few days. Probably have had them for like a week and a half or so. And we're going to replace them with these lovely French nails from Kiss. These are some classy, keep calm and stay classy. Trendy shape and style, 28 nails with glue included. And I got them in long. I was gonna get short, but we want to clickety clack, you know what I'm saying? I like to clickety clack. It says glue on 7-day wear, so it's a 7-day wear. Oh, I never noticed that on the box. So yeah, so these are the steps. I'm gonna have to file my nails. I always do that. I take these off, file my nails down. Then you're gonna put the glue on the back of the nail, and it looks like you're gonna have to put glue on the natural nail as well. Yep. Apply glue to the back of the artificial nail, then apply glue to the natural nail, and then you're going to align the cuticle and gently press and hold for 5 seconds. So that's what we gonna do. So let's get cute for Christmas. Let me take these off. One down. All right, boom, just like that, y'all. One hand down, the other one to go. Y'all, I used to bite my nails so freaking bad. Like when I was younger, I played in the dirt and everything, and I sucked on my fingers. I sucked on these 2 fingers, matter of fact, when I was younger. And baby, them fingers stayed in my mouth, dirt and all. And I would get the little canker sores like on the bottom of my gums. But that's about it. I rarely got sick. I must have a very good immune system because that was gross when I think about it. And we lived in a trailer park, so it was no grass. It was just dirt. Like dirt. Not sand, but dirt. And yeah, and even when I went out to my grandma's house, this one don't want to come out. It went to my grandma's house, like, they had grass or whatever. But, like, my grandma, she had chickens and dogs and stuff like that. But I tried not to put my hand in my mouth out there. But I still did. I had a good immune system. That was gross. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. I didn't break that habit until I got older. I was in middle school, and this one girl, she sucked her thumb. And, y'all, her teeth had started to, like, go crooked. And so I was like, is your teeth? I was just asking, you know how to be like asking for a friend. That's what I was kind of doing, but nobody at school knew I sucked on my fingers. So I was like, do your fingers like mess up your teeth or anything? I already knew they messed up your teeth, but you know, I was just trying to act like I didn't know. And girl, I'm just wiping my mouth. Let's open this. So yeah, so she was like, yeah, my mama told me I need to stop sucking on my thumb because it's gonna make my teeth creaky. But she said she was gonna get me some braces, so I don't care. I'm gonna keep sucking on my thumb. But me, I was like, I'm not gonna walk around here with my teeth sticking out because I already got this gap, and we not finna be buck teeth and gap. No. We not finna be. Oh yeah, that would have been bad. But my mama, she used to put hot sauce on my fingers. Girl, that didn't work. I love me some hot sauce. I would drink it out the bottle, like pour it. I had some issues as a child. Like, what was going on? I love me some hot sauce, baby. So she could not, like, anything spicy. I loved it. So it did not bother me. But yeah, that's what really broke me from sucking my fingers. But I still bit my nails, and I still kind of bite my nails. But wearing nails keeps me from biting them, and they actually grow my nails. They used to be like fragile. They're strong now, and I be taking some vitamins. I take my vitamin E for hair, skin, and nails. So I do take those. I get them from the Walmart or, you know, convenience store. And I try to make sure I take care of myself. But nails, I used to bite them down. I used to have dirt down in my nails and everything. Spit it out, keep on chewing on the nails. And just chew the nails and spit them out, keep on biting them so they ain't got no more nail left. Baby, and then like I couldn't stand it. I even used to bite my toenails. What? Like I can't stand long nails, and if I ain't having to clip my nails with, I would put my feet in my mouth. I used to get in so much trouble from doing it. Like, what in the world? That was nasty. That was gross. Like, and I can't believe I was like that as a child, because now like germs irk my nerves. Like, I'm constantly washing my hands. I'm constantly not wanting to touch the doorknobs. Like with my hand, I use my shirt or my foot to push the door open if I'm out in public. Like, you can tell I'm the same person compared to when I was younger, y'all. That's crazy. That is insane. Okay, we got these nails filed down, period. And we're going to use their glue. So we're just going to stay on in with this. Y'all, sometimes I switch up that voice. Oh, y'all. And my kids, they be like, Mom, you talk different when you on the phone and when you're on camera. But to me, I don't talk different on camera. I talk like me. This fits perfect. But I'm gonna do just what it say. I usually just put the glue on the back of the nail and keep it going, but I'm gonna dot on my nail like so, and then we got the glue on the back on the nail as well. So we're gonna slide this on, push it down like that. I'm gonna push it on. Push it down and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, I still see the glue kind of moving around. Let me push it harder. But yeah, y'all, I'm surprised my camera's still going. This storage is doing all right. Just watch. It's gonna shut off on me because I'm talking too soon. But yeah, I don't know, y'all. This is cute. These nails look like I went and got them done. Look at it. Okay, let's do the next one. I'm just trying to hurry up for my storage go dead. Okay, this one fit their nail. I love me a good little long nail, but at the same time, like, if I gotta, like, get something out of my eye or my ears, so, like, you can't get it. So I guess I gotta get this, invest in me some Q-tips or something. and it's like hard to like pick stuff up sometimes, so you gotta keep scraping until you get it up. But I've learned to like use like paper or something like that to scoop it up if I got them long nails on. But I don't see, like, I have not mastered doing hair with long nails. Like, I can't do braids or nothing like that with long nails. I'd rather just take them off and then put them back on, because it's just, I cannot do it. I don't see how the other girls be on camera and be braiding hair. So yeah, I was talking too much. Now my freaking storage had went out, but we back in business. Biz not easy. Y'all, I actually went on live last night at 2 a.m. well, this morning at 2 a.m. and your girl ain't had no sleep. I've been wanting to like push myself some more and go live. Do some more makeup today, because I want to push out 2 more videos for makeup on my makeup channel. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel for my makeup channel, it is Rashada.make me over. So I'll list it on in the description below. I'm almost at 10K, y'all. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm only 500 away from 10K. That was my end of the year goal, but I guess I'm gonna have to make that my New Year's resolution, because I don't know, it's just sitting there. Hopefully I'll be able to get 500 for the end of the year. I still got a few days left, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I ain't gave up on myself yet, but I don't know, girl. Once I put some cuticle oil on these, they're gonna look like I went to the nail salon and did right here in this living room. Y'all, I love doing press-on nails. Look at them. They so cute. I don't mind my fingers are a little cricky, but they look good. So we're gonna put some cuticle oil on them, and we're gonna be clap, 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 clap. All right, let's do the other hand. Real fancy like. So this is my middle finger that I did find. And it don't even take that long. I'm just gonna put it on like so. But yeah, I said I'm gonna try my best to get some sleep and then just regroup, restart in the morning. Cause y'all, okay, y'all, this the last nail. My phone went out. See, I was talking too soon. That's what I get. But I'm finna put this nail on real quick, and then I'm gonna upload this video for y'all tonight. I made it to day 20. I'm hoping to push out 5 more videos, y'all. My goal was to really do 25 days of Vlogmas, and I'm going to try to push out 5 more videos. I'm gonna try to I know I got some content on my phone. I just gotta edit it. Is that my cover?
No, but we took the cover.
Okay, y'all. I'll be right. Okay, I'm done. Look at it, y'all. So we finna put some oil on my nails real quick. Well, first of all, we need to put some lotion on. I'm gonna use this Real Chemistry. No, I'm not. That's some cleanser. We're gonna use this Frank Body lotion, because your girl stay ashy. So I hope y'all was talking about my ashiness while I was doing these nails. Y'all know y'all wrong for these, y'all would. Alright, we're gonna lotion it down. And then, you know, it won't be cute unless you have some little oil around your cuticles. And I know I got some oil. I know I do. I got some kind of oil, face oil, something. We're gonna use this. It's some nourishing facial cleanser oil. I had some drops, so Oh man, my light went out. Did I unplug it? I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. Did it unplug? There you go. All I had to do was press the button. I had some little drops. Here they go. This smell good too, y'all. Hold on, let me get it. Ooh. It's oh, you can't Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. I hate y'all can't see this. I done had it for a minute, but it smells so good. I got it from Ipsy. I don't even know if I got enough drops, but we finna spread it out. It smells so good, y'all. I would oil myself. It's almost gone. Because what I would do is oil myself down. And, you know, after my bath. And then I'll lotion myself. And then put on my smell goods and stuff. And be smelling so good. But it smells light. It's a light fragrance. It do has like a floral scent. But it's very light. It's not overwhelming at all. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look of the nails. Very cute, very demure. So super cute. Now I can click, 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 click. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog of me pampering myself to some new nails. And these were actually like, I think they were like $6 from Walmart. Yeah, they weren't that much though. I'm very satisfied with the way they look. I hate the lighting is not that well, but I think y'all can see pretty good. Yeah, they're super cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video today and sticking in here with me and listening to my crazy little stories. But I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.